Yeah, so I want to play a game. All right. I was perusing the internet, you know what I'm saying? And I actually saw Ashton, shout out to Gent Sense, who was doing a video about starting a collection under $250. And I was like, I'll see your $250 and I'll raise you $200. That's right. I'm going to show you, specifically using clone fragrances, how you can create one of the best starter beginner collections for under $200. Still have some money left over, you know what I'm saying, to do what it is that you need to do. This is for those of you just got paid. It's Friday night, you know what I'm saying? You like, listen, all I know is Axe. All I know is bod. Like, I want to get into the fragrance game because you've been watching Fat Boy Finesse videos. You've been on TikTok, you've been on IG, and you're like, yo, I got 200 to blow. What can I do? I'm gonna show you how to get it right. Let's talk about it. Yo, what's going on, party people, Fat Boy family? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Do me a favor, feel free, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and click that bell so you can be notified every single time I post new content to the channel. But let's go ahead and jump right into today's conversation. All right, again, you got $200 to blow. You want to get in fragrance. You guys know my rule of thumbs as it relates to fragrance and just getting started. You only need 5. You know what I'm saying? So we need an everyday fragrance. This is the easy, stupid, just dumb to reach. You just grab it and go. It works in all scenarios. You need that signature fragrance. You know, you kind of stepping it up a notch, and this is that one you put it on and makes you feel like a boss. This is the one, it's your signature. Everybody knows you for this. You need a date night fragrance. And remember, date night is not for you. Date night is for her. You know what I'm saying? And then you need that warm weather fragrance. That's going to be for your spring or summertime. And then number 5, you need that cold weather fragrance, which is going to be for fall or going to be for winter. Again, let's establish, because some of y'all going to be arguing with your cat, your dog, and your own mama. You ain't going to be arguing with me, because this is my 5. You come up with your 5. I'm going to give you an option A, and I'm going to give you an option B. We still going to come in under $200 with all of these. And again, this is for the beginner that is watching all of this content, and you need to know what is it that I need to do? What is it that I need to buy? I got $200. I'm your personal shopper today. Consider me your concierge. Hey, welcome to the first day of the best day of the rest of your life. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
Let the game begin.
All right, so number 1, we are going to start with our everyday fragrances. Now, this was not as easy as some of you may think, but I really took some time to think about this, wrote some options down. And personally, for me, I don't think anything gets better than this. But from the house of Armaf, some of you may know what I'm getting ready to say. We have Armaf, and this is Odyssey Aqua. This is a beautiful, fresh, spicy fragrance with a little bit of fruit coming from that orange in there, but it's beautifully aromatic with the citrus and some woody accords as well. This is based on a popular DNA from Paco Rabanne, RIP, shout out to Paco, but Rabanne now, Invictus Platinum. All right, so this one is every day, especially for those of you that got to go to work every day. You're gonna smell good. I love the way that the mint and the lavender comes off in this one compared to my option B, which is also an Invictus inspired fragrance, which is the original and probably the most popular out here. You know what that already is. From the house of Versace, we have Hawass, and you can't go wrong with either of these. This definitely for me is going to be number 2 in this sense, where with the Odyssey Aqua, this is going to be more aromatic. Over here, this one right here is going to be more aquatic. So again, you will notice there are some nuances that are definitely similar between the two. You can't go wrong, but you get a little bit of that playful bubble gum type sweetness that you get from Invictus, just a little bit more mature. This one I just actually prefer more. So again, number 1 for that everyday, you can't go wrong. Option A, we're gonna go with Odyssey Aqua, and then for option B, we're gonna go with Versace Hawass for him. All right, next, let's jump over here to the signature scent. This is the one I be feeling like the man when I come through. Like, this is the one in your collection that's one of them ones. It's what people know you for. When you put this on, you feel like a member of one of the Avengers after Tony Stark snapped his finger, you know, like post Thanos, not pre Thanos. Nonetheless, in that number 1 spot, option A, I gotta go with this one from the house of Arabia Prestige. We have Cold Opulence. You know what I'm saying? This is a beautiful fragrance that is a play on that monster of a beast blue talisman DNA. So you're getting these beautiful white florals with this pear, this orange blossom. It is undefeated as a profile, but what I love that they did, they added a little bit of leather here. Not animalic leather, but it makes it darker, makes it a little bit more mysterious. You still get the brightness that comes from the pear, the white florals, the orange blossom, but it gives it some, you know what I'm saying, just some masculine type energy. Yeah, this one right here, super fire. I mean, look at the bottle. It just screams like, you know what I'm saying, like signature. And then next to that, I know you guys are tired of this DNA, but it just works. We're talking about beginners. We're not talking about those of you who have been wearing fragrances. We're not talking about these old heads, unks, all of you who are certified. We're talking about people who are just coming into the space. This is one I talked about recently, and I told you it knocked one of my favorites off the throne, which was that Supremacy Collector's Edition. This is better. And yes, I said it. Go watch the review if you don't believe me. From the house of Maison Azrar, we have from the Royal Collection. This is Vanguard, based on that absolute Aventus DNA. You get this beautiful fruity citrus and this bright pineapple that, oh my God, it just works. It just works. Hear me when I tell you, this one works and it sustains. What I like better about this than all the other versions is it remains bright, it remains dense, it has longevity, it has staying power. It's not as mossy. The pineapple is not syrupy. It's not over the top. Like, this is amazing and it works. So again, for that signature scent, you know, if you want to go with that blue talisman DNA, let's make it a little bit more masculine. So you're going to go with that Arabiate Prestige, and you have Cold Opulence. That's for option A. And then for option B, you want to go with that Aventus DNA. Let's make it a little bit more dark, but retain some of that sweetness and that juices that is going to get you mass appeal and mass compliments. You want to go with Vanguard, and this is from Maison Azrar. All right, next, let's go with that I'm just a sexy boy. I'm not your boy toy. That was kind of weird, Walt. Shout out to Shawn Michaels, though, one of the GOATs. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So we gotta hit them with the, you know what I'm saying, date night. And remember what I said. Some of y'all don't understand how date night works. This fragrance is her. Like, this is her favorite fragrance. This is not you trying to stunt. This is like what she needs to smell on you in order to get the job done. I don't understand why y'all don't get that. So in that #1 spot, you know what I'm saying? If you love that Azaro Most Wanted DNA, that all black bottle, I done told y'all about black bottles, but you also like, you know what I'm saying, that Born Aroma Intense, a little bit of mix, you know what I'm saying? You got that cacao, that lavender, that Mirabelle that's just gonna put in that work. Then we got one of the most underrated. I don't understand what people hate about this fragrance, but Lattafa Assad Bourbon. Do I really need to explain this, fellas? Don't even ask me no questions. You already know. Just go pick this one up, all right? That's option A. And then option B, baby, you got the vanilla. You got the seduction. You got the I'll be a groupie, baby. Like, bro, this one is a superstar. Like, this one gonna have you on the phone singing confessions. You know what I'm saying? These are my confessions. I hope not, but be careful. The name says it all. From the house of Maison Azrar, we have Vanilla Seduction. Vanilla and plum. That's all you need to know. You guys know I've been hollering about Aura, and Aura is good. But this one right here is a whole different level. Or it's not necessarily for date night. That's just for personal reasons. I like to smell like that. But this one right here, crazy work. So again, option A, you can either go with that Lattafa Assad Bourbon, all right? Or for option B, really could be option A. You can go with that Vanilla Seduction from Maison Azrar. All right, this next category is for all of my people who love this current weather we're in, this blizzard-like cold we're having right now. Warm weather scents. This one want to get you through fall and get you through winter, because when you're starting a collection, you're not just trying to go out here and buy 100 fragrances. You need these to make sense. So these got to last you, you know, for pretty much a good bit of the year. But one of the best clones out there, one of the best DNAs out there is Nishane Ani. This beautiful oriental spice. You get this citrus and this warm, spicy vanilla that is absolutely undefeated. The best one out there on the market. You have from the House of French Avenue, you have that Spectre Ghost. Oh my God, you can't beat this with the ginger and the cardamom and the vanilla, and there's also a little bit of rose in there that gives it this nice floral lift that you're not really expecting. This is the John Wick of the clone industry. I mean, you kind of see the presentation there. Look at the bullet, but you be killing them. Like, you put on that trench coat, you know what I'm saying? You put on that overcoat, It's like, yo, you coming to kill. You cannot go wrong. This is one of the best ones out there. And then that's going to be your option A. For your option B, I know a lot of people are screaming, bruh, I can't believe you ain't talking about that alter air DNA. Yeah, but I'm not going to talk about the one you think I am. I'm not going to talk about liquid broom, because here's the thing. You have that beautiful vanilla, but you have that ice cream style vanilla that everybody doesn't necessarily want to wear all the time. Remember, this got to last you. You're probably going to wear one of these two every single day. So I'm still going to go with that profile, but I'm going to go with the one that I told you guys is better from the House of Arabiat Prestige. We have Lutfa Light in the Heart. And the reason I'm championing this one is because you pull back on that super sweet vanilla overdose. You know what I'm saying? That ice cream style vanilla, and you bring in a little bit of that cinnamon and that spice that you would normally get from something like a Grand Soir. So you mature it, like you keep the sweetness, but you make it a little bit more mature. So it's a little bit more easier to wear than that heavy, you know what I'm saying, liquid broom DNA. Honestly, if you want to go with liquid broom, go with liquid broom. But in my opinion, if you are a fan of perfumery, even though a beginner may not necessarily be that, but if you want something that's going to be easier to wear every day, but it's still going to get you the compliment factor and the mass appeal, I think you should go with this. So again, for option A, you want to go with Spectre Ghost. All right, boom. And then for option B, we want to go with Lutfa Light in the Heart. All right, these last category, these last two fragrances, these last two options for this last category, this is your warm weather category. So this is gonna get you through spring. This is gonna get you through summer. This is gonna get you through Kentucky Derby. This is gonna get you through the Olympics. This is gonna get you through AAU basketball season. This is gonna get you through weddings. This is going to get you through vacations. So I didn't just want to go super tropical, but I wanted to make sure, because everybody's not going to get a chance to be on vacation all year round. You don't necessarily want to smell like a paradise at all times, but you want DNAs that kind of incorporate those things. It's going to be hot. You're going to be sweaty. You want to smell fresh. You want to smell clean, and you still want some character that's going to work in all situations. And point blank period, quite frankly, these are two DNAs I know you guys are tired of, and I know you hate, but they work. Again, we're talking about beginners. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just put your own spokes in it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. The definition of tenderism. Nonetheless, in the A position, we have that imagination DNA. And to me, this is the best one out there as it relates to opening to close. You can't beat it. You have from the House of Arabiat Prestige, you have Marwa. I know I don't come to me talking about Hawash Cobra. It is nothing. Basically, they copied Hot Lodge with the blue spice. It's just spicy imagination. That's how I know some of y'all don't know anything about fragrance. Just because it's spicy don't mean it's better. Just because it's loud, you know what? That's another conversation for another day. Nonetheless, best one-to-one out there, if there's such a thing. You guys know we don't subscribe to that. Arabiat Prestige, Marwa. Bro, you're gonna smell clean. You're gonna smell amazing with that beautiful tea and neroli and that citrus coming off, and the women gonna love you. Summertime, you're gonna be walking around with your shirt off. Like, I promise you, it's gonna be undefeated. That's option A. And then option B, another DNA I know you guys can't stand, but to me, this is the best one that captures the entire essence of the fragrance, God of Fire. So we have from the House of French Avenue, we have that Vulcan, and this is Feu, not Fouet. It is spelled F-E-U. If you take French, that's Feu, Feu. It has nothing to do with Fouet. I took French and I said that the first time and I should have known better. But again, as far as the sweetness, as far as the brightness, as far as, you know what I'm saying? Some people it's too fresh. Some people it's too dark. This to me is the best middle ground where you're going to get the main essence of that DNA. So again, I know y'all kind of tired of these DNAs, but they just work, especially for beginners. So in that option A spot, we have Arabiat Prestige. And then in that B spot, we have Vulcan Feu. All right, so again, y'all argue with your own. Matter of fact, make a video and show me your list. I'm not trying to be combative, but show me your list. Nah, y'all already know what it is. I want to hear your thoughts and what you would keep, what you would move around, what you would replace. If my calculations are correct, with option A, we come in right around $155. All right, that's with option A. And with option B, you spend a little bit more money. We come in around $170. So that doesn't include taxes, you know, shipping or whatever. Let's leave that out of this. You can save that money, go buy some soap, some lotion, some moisturizer. Holla at my girl, the oil lady, if you want some oils that are going to match these fragrances. And all the links for everything is down in the description. Or I have two honorable mentions that I think are worth adding. For option A, if you're tired of those signatures, there is another signature that you can get for roughly around, I want to say $40. I think it's like $39. I'll post a link to this one down in the description. Another signature scent, that Town and Country DNA, which again, you want to have a utility knife. Like everyday fragrance is supposed to be your utility knife, but this is another utility knife that is going to be a great everyday. You can also pull it off on date night. You can also wear it in the summertime, springtime. It's just going to work. One of the best underrated fragrances out there that we don't talk about enough, from the house of Lattafa, we have Lattafa Amir. Beautiful woody citrus profile that is undefeated. So I would add a bonus to my signature, because that, you know, you may get tired of the other DNAs, and this is something that I can see a lot of people lean into in the option A category. That's going to bring you right up to that $200 mark. And then option B, you have roughly about $30 to spare. This fragrance right here, you're going to be able to get for $20. And to me, it like, this is the one that kind of defined my channel. I love it. It is still one of the most underrated best fragrances I have ever put my nose on, that I love to smell. I think this one you should add for your rotation as it relates to cold weather. I know a lot of times we get tired of vanilla, you know, so you want to switch it up a little bit, especially if you want something a little bit more masculine. For $20, I said $20, and it's one of the best ones out there. From the house of Armaf, again, we have Odyssey Homme. Just imagine you're going to get the spice that you get from a Tom Ford Noir Extreme, but add some of that sweetness and that iris that you're gonna get from a La Mer Le Parfum, kind of a baby right there. Let me tell y'all something. When I put on a hoodie, when I put on a coat, when I put on an overcoat, whatever, in the cold, this one right here goes crazy. So in that option B, if you're looking for something to add, I would add to your cold weather category right here, Odyssey Homme, and you're still gonna come in under $200. Now, I'd love to see somebody do better than that. And I'm talking about meet all of my P's. You know what I'm saying? We're talking about presentation, we're talking about profile, we're talking about performance, and we're talking about price. Not just some random stuff where you think smells good, because there are a lot of things that we like personally. But I'm talking about really putting together a collection for beginners. Now, as we progress, as we grow, there are going to be a lot more things. I can add in some things from Joe Milano. We can raise the price. We know how to mix and match this, that, and the third, and we can probably kill two birds with one stone with a lot of these categories. But I honestly think this is going to be hard pressed for y'all to beat. So this is not a tag video, but I'd love to see some of y'all tag onto this. Ashton, I know you didn't start a tag video. You probably don't do tags, but I'm gonna start it for you. Nonetheless, beat it up in the comments. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and click the bell so you're notified every single time I post new content to the channel. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.